It's beach time! We've got ourselves one boogie board. What else is in there? We've got ourselves...
Very small one.
Okay, that one's clearly yours.
This one's yours.
No, I don't think so. I'm not using that. It's a death trap. What else? Oh, there's more stuff back here. There's a painting.
Is there?
And a rat. Run! See you at the beach, y'all.
Here begins the story of a young man paddling, having a grand old time in the waves, when suddenly the GoPro slips from his grasp. Sadness ensued, but he would make it through that sadness. Will we find the GoPro? Stay tuned. Later in the video, we'll find out.
Alright, we're off to Walmart to get a GoPro. Because the other one in the ocean. Whoops. Alright, let's get the motor out of here. Gatorade? You need Gatorade?
Oh yeah, that'd actually be sweet. Oh yeah, give me that big blue one.
Point at it.
That one.
This one?
Oh.
For ourselves.
I'm so hot.
You're hot? Sucks for you. Alright. So anyway, we made it to Walmart. We got ourselves a new GoPro. And now we're going to find fireworks. Think we'll find them? Walmart has no fireworks.
50-50.
Good ratio. No, the car light went out. How do we work this? Hey, I'm back. Okay. Where are we looking? Fan of fireworks? Yeah, let's do the one that's 97 kilometers away.
I just searched up fireworks, but we know it's like it was just there as soon as you enter the actual city, right?
Do you want to just go and creep around and see if we can
Yeah,
get
why
it?
not? We know how to get home no matter what.
We've got to, let's get the Reese's out. Get that Reese's out, fan. Woo! It's backwards. Hey man, what are you doing? Oh no!
Always wanted to do that.